Hello guys, how are you? So today we are going to talk about Python. How can you install Python in Windows 11? Easy method will be done. We'll tell step by step. Let's get started. So we will take the browser here. So you can open any browser, then I will give you the link in the description. So from here you have to go to download, click on Python, carefully download the setup of your Python. So you can see here that our setup of Python has been downloaded. So you can see here, this is our setup of Python. So you can open it by double clicking from here. Then you will see below use admin privileges when install py.exe. So we will turn it on. Below this you will see add python.exe to path will also be turned on politely. We will go to the customized installation. From here I don't want anyone to do anything. So from here we will go and click on next. But after clicking, we are seeing in the advanced option here, install Python 3.12. For all users, then we will turn it on. After calling, we have to click on install. So here our Python is getting installed. So it will take some time. So we will let it install. So here you can see that our Python is installed. Then I will let you check the version of Python once. You go to the search bar and turn on the CMD. Then we will search and check the version and type Python version. Here we have it. The version of Python is correct, but I tried it a little and told you that Python is working perfectly. So after checking the version, let me show you how to do it a little. So you can see that our Python is working perfectly. You can also turn on idle in it. To turn it on, we will go to the search bar below. Here we will search idle, then we will turn it on. Then you can see that our idle has been turned on. So we will same command it from here also. Then you will see that our Python is working perfectly. We haven't faced any problem or error, so thanks for watching our video. To see more such content, subscribe.